Hey, how's it going, ladies and gentlemen? Jedediah, the adventure guy, here for you today. And instead of filming in the morning, I decided to film in the afternoon, evening almost, so you guys can get this nice view. Maybe I'll catch a few more of you. So as you're coming on, let me know if you're watching the live so I can give you a shout out. Boom, boom, say hello, hit that like button. If you're watching the replay, put hashtag replay for me. And we're just out here in this big old field subdivision again, and the sun's just about to go down, so I figured I'd pop this real quick, and then we'll let you guys go and have your nice Tuesday evening. So there are rules to a positive change in network marketing, and so I'm going to go over some of them that I've learned and hook you guys up. So here we go. Always have awareness. Always have awareness of your struggles and the things that are not going good for you, because then you'll be able to take advantage of what's going wrong, maybe write it all down and attack it one by one. So always be aware, because once you know what you've done wrong or what you're doing wrong, then it's going to be easier for you to go for it every day, just to fix it, fix whatever's wrong. So be aware, you guys. It's a real big one. And so having an understanding is another one. You have to have an understanding that not everything is going to go perfect, and not everybody's going to be receptive to what you're asking and telling and doing. And so you can't let just a small rejection or any kind of rejections bring you down and make you fail. So if it happens, it happens. But you basically just have to keep your head up and let it just roll off your back like a duck, right? And so another one is deassociate yourself. Deassociation. You have to deassociate yourself with bad things and bad people. So in other words, if you're watching bad movies, if you're watching things that don't have anything to do with what you need to be doing, then you need to change that. You need to fix it. If you're hanging out with people that are just no good, people that aren't bringing you up, people that aren't pumping you up and pushing you to a better place, you need to change your people. You need to change your crowd. Remember, you pick your friends. You don't let your friends pick you, okay? Right? Just follow me around. So another one is reconditioning. You have to rebuild yourself all the time, because you have to recondition yourself every day and redo whatever you're doing. Take a step back and make sure you're doing exactly what you should be doing. So you should be reconditioning yourself every day like this. This little Jeep just went by, so this is like, huh? She's a good dog, huh? So that's about it for today, you guys, but I wanted to get these for you. It looks like the service is kind of chopping around until this comes back. I don't know why it's so choppy all of a sudden, but it is. Look at that, just glitching away. Alright, well, that's it. Thanks for watching, you guys. Go fast. We'll go over it real quick. If we have service, maybe I'll walk back over here a little bit. So, number 1, have awareness. Number 2, have an understanding. Number 3, disassociation. And 3, reconditioning. Or 4, sorry, reconditioning. Hey, Jim. So there you guys have it. There are the rules to a positive change in network marketing. And once again, my Facebook page, Jedediah's Empire, and Nate's Facebook page, CBD for Better Health, and jedediahbennett.siterubics.com to check out my vlog. I'll see you guys next time, or even tomorrow. Later, Gators! Look at that awesome view. Little Rockies right there. See you guys.